Hey, local realtor and recent first-time homebuyer Danielle DeAngelo from Signature Choice Realty here. Are you ready to buy your first home but have no idea where to start? Let me be your home buying guide as you begin this exciting journey. Knowing where to start can be tough, but determining how much you can afford by evaluating your income, expenses, and savings is a good place to start so you can consider other factors needed to buy a home, such as your down payment and how much you can afford each month for your mortgage payment. Once you've done some self-financial evaluating, the next step you'll need to take is to find a lender if you need a loan. A lender can help give you a clear idea of your budget and write you a pre-approval letter. Your pre-approval is an important document that you'll need to receive prior to the exciting part of the home buying process, looking at homes in person. Looking at homes without this can often lead to disappointment since it is required in order to make an offer, and it also lets the seller know that you're serious about purchasing a home. When you start talking to lenders, it's also important to tell them your circumstances so they can work with you to ensure they get you the best loan and interest rate possible. Once you know your budget, it's then time to consider the must-haves you want for your home that are also within your budget. Prioritize your list of must-have features in the home you desire, such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, layout, and yard size. Do you have a dog and need a house that already has a fenced-in yard? Is a large kitchen on the top of your list of priorities, or is location your main priority? Research neighborhoods to find the right area and fit for your lifestyle and needs. Consider factors like what school zone you prefer to live in, commute times, and if neighborhood amenities are important to you. Knowing what your must-haves are in a home versus the less important factors will also help in the negotiation aspect as well. Once you have an idea of what you want, talk to a trusted real estate agent, like me, to help guide you through the process, negotiate on your behalf, and help provide you with valuable insight. In real estate, time is of the essence, so when we go under contract on the home of your dreams, you typically have limited time to hire an inspector to ensure there's no defects in the house, and if there are, we have an option to negotiate. From the time you get your pre-approval letter until the time we close, it's important that you, the buyer, stay financially disciplined and don't make any large purchases such as buying new furniture or make any financial changes prior to closing that could affect the approval of your mortgage. So, whether you're ready to take the plunge and start the home buying process or just want to ease into the process, I'll be here to help guide you along the way. So call or text me anytime at 229-474-7467 to help you find a place to call home.